Okay, hopefully you picked this up in your text, but I just wanted to relay this. So, later stages of exercise, protein use comes to about 15%. Okay, so in other words, your carbohydrate supplies or your glucose supplies are low, and your body is ultimately going to start to use protein, which is also why when you think about people who have eating disorders, their muscle starts to waste away because they're going to be using that protein as a source of energy. Same thing happens when you're doing exercise. Short, intense workouts, 3 to 5 and about 1 to 6% of protein is used in these very short, intense workouts, and that's used for energy. Okay, so we do know we break down protein in high intense workouts. Low carb diets equals more use of protein. So think about this. There's a whole plethora of people saying do low carb, do low carb, do low carb, but you may actually be causing some problems in terms of protein use because your body is going to be using protein if you're not giving it enough carbohydrates. So you want to make sure that depending on who you're working with, you're getting enough carbs for your energy levels. What carbs do, which is a benefit, is that they inhibit enzymes that catabolize protein and they have a protein sparing effect. In other words, there are certain enzymes that are going to be used to break down protein when you don't have enough carbohydrates. So when I have carbohydrates, those enzymes are prevented from being activated and ultimately prevent a person from breaking down protein. And hence we have what your text refers to as a protein sparing effect. In other words, we spare our protein because we have carbohydrates to use as our energy supply.